Hi, my name's Jason and welcome to the Clothesline Store. In this video, we're going to assemble and install the Air Dry Folding Frame Clothesline. This particular line we're going to install is a 2.4 metre wide clothesline. So once you've unboxed it, you lay all the products out and compare it to the manual and make sure you have all the parts that you're supposed to have that's in the manual. Another key factor is don't open the arms. These are to be opened up once they're installed on the wall. You'll receive some masonry bolts. Now, if you have a different wall that you're going to install them into, you'll have to go to your local hardware store. So let's get ready and start installing the clothesline. So now we're going to put the clothesline up. So what you do, you measure down from the eave and make it approximately 50 to 100 millimeters above your head. Then you get the arm and the bracket. Now on the bracket it's got wall side. Now it's very important this goes towards the wall when you're putting it up. With your masonry bolts and wall plug, they're also important to go through the arm bracket like so. Don't put them in the wall first and then the bracket over it because it won't work correctly. In this case, we're going to do it on a timber wall, so I won't be using the wall plug. I'll just be using this bolt. So let's get started. So now we're going to put the bracket up on the wall. Again, wall side sticker facing the wall. We hold it up like this and we get our drill and we drill through the bracket. Okay, so let's go and do that now. Once we've drilled the first hole and put the bolt in, we get our spirit level, put it on the wall bracket, and then repeat the process and drill the second hole. So let's do that now. So now we've got the bracket up, both bolts in, the bracket is nice and square, so you go over the other side and repeat the same process. So now the wall bracket's up, fastened securely, you can lift it up and lock it in position, one click and it locks in position. As you can see, it's about 50 to 100 mil above my head, which I mentioned to you earlier, and the clothesline does slope up slightly. So once we've done that, we're going to go and put the spacer bars in. Let's do that now. So now we're going to insert the spreader bar. This is a 2.4 metre wide clothesline and it consists of a 3-section part spreader bar. So what we do, we push it in one end first like this. We go across and do the same on the other side. And then we just give it a light tap to make sure it's in securely. Once we've done that, we go ahead and put the cord in. So let's do that now. So now we're going to thread the cord. You can do this either starting at the front or the back. It really doesn't matter. Now here's a tip. Undo the cord before you start and lay it out along your garden. Makes it a whole lot easier to do. So let's go ahead and thread the cord now. So now we've laid the cord out, we're going to thread it through the clothesline. So you start on the first hole, you thread it up and you pull it through. Now you pull it through until there's about 20 centimetres left at the end here because you use that for tying it off. So what we're going to go ahead and do now is thread the cord through the clothesline. So let's go. So now we've threaded the cord on the clothesline. Now it's time to tension it. As you can see, we have our 20 centimetres or thereabouts cord at this end. We've tied that end off as per the instruction manual, and now we're going to go through and tension all the cords. So let's go ahead and do that now. So once we've finished tensioning most of the clothesline cord, we grab the end section here, which is the bit we left loose earlier. We tension the last remaining cords and pull this down. Now I will stress, if you over tension the cord, you may damage the clothesline, so just be very careful in doing that. So once we've done this to the last few lines, we pull this down and we tie it off as per the instruction manual. So that's all that's required in terms of assembling and installing an air dry folding frame clothesline. So thanks for visiting the Clothesline Store and buying your clothesline. My name's Jason. Bye for now.